This is Business Model Cube. It's simple but contains essence of business itself. Now let's see what it is. When you unfold Business Model Cube, it is transformed into business models and canvas. It is for customer-centered business model design with holistic view. At first, you are exploring opportunities in the market. If you find something, let's define who is the customer and which problem is still unsolved. Market size is a sum of customers' problem in the market. So, you now know the problem is big or small. When your team decides solving the problem is worth enough to invest your life, then you set up mission, why you are here, and what is promised to customer from your team. After generating idea, you will get to really good solution idea. After all, product is a sum of solution idea and its concrete implementation. If your solution is far cheaper, faster, easier, safer, better than alternatives in the market, we can say you have advantage. Now you need to communicate with your customer. Customers buy benefits or value, not function or technology. So, you need value proposition to get customers' empathy. Usually, customers are too busy to listen to your word. You need different, appealing slogan and story with high concept to attract people. These days, cooperation is as important as competition. To build a solution, you need cooperator for innovation. To sell solution, you need cooperator for market. All cost elements related to build, sell, and operate product and service should be listed. You define how to generate revenue. We are almost there. Now you do and test experiments with market to ensure your assumptions are right. After that, you get to learn and pivot your business to approach market. Now you understand how to design with Business Model Cube. If you want to step further, there is an updated version of this canvas with 4 elements added. Early adopter is a customer segment who is easily accessible and waiting your solution. Mostly problem you solve may matter to them or solution fits to their needs and situation. If customer problem is crucial, always there are old solutions, namely alternatives. It may have different form and function, but eventually solve same problem you are solving. Product is a set of solutions, and its implementation. Product and service name will be described. Unique selling point is a customer benefit only you can provide in the market and affect buying decision directly. That's it. We hope your business to be great with this Business Model Cube in the long innovation journey.